Hi guys, welcome back to Quizmaster. Our today's topic is World Ozone Day. Let's start. What is the theme of the World Ozone Day 2020? Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. Ozone Day message for 2019, 32 years and healing. Which day is celebrated as Ozone Day? September 16. The layer in which Ozone Day first observed 1995. In which year did the UN declare September 16 as Ozone Day? 1994.
What is the main consumption of CFC? Freezing. Freezing is the main consumption of CFC.
What is the color of ozone layer? Light blue. Light blue is the color of ozone layer. Which type radiations absorbs ozone layer? UV, ultraviolet radiation. Which plant release ozone during photosynthesis? Tulsi. Who discovered ozone? John Bain. John Bain discovered ozone. Who discovered the ozone hole? Jonathan Sanglin. Jonathan Sanglin discovered ozone hole. Who discovered ozone layer? Charles Fabry and Henry Buisson. When was Charles Fabry and Henry Buisson discovered ozone layer? In 1930. The year of the ozone hole was first discovered 1970. Year the ozone structure was discovered 1805. In which year ozone layer discovered? 1930. Ozone is an allotrope of which element? Oxygen. Which is the natural phenomenon of ozone production in the atmosphere? Lightning. How many oxygen atoms are there in ozone molecule? In an ozone molecule. 3. An instrument that can measure ozone in the stratosphere is spectrophotometer. Why UV radiations higher in summer? The sun is closer to the earth. The main contributors to ozone depletion: CFC and carbon monoxide. From which language does the word ozone belong? Latin. The word ozone is derived from which Greek word? Ozene. Meaning of the Greek word ozene: to smell. Which planet has a thin ozone layer at an altitude of 100 km other than the Earth? Answer: Venus. Which is the international organization that has decided to celebrate September 16 as Ozone Day every year? UNEP. Lowest atmospheric layer: troposphere. Name an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer. Montreal Protocol. On which date was the Montreal Protocol signed? 1987, September 16th. The country where the 1987 Montreal Protocol took place in Canada. That the Montreal Protocol came into existence in 1989, January 1. Montreal is a city in Canada. Which UV radiation is responsible for causing sunburn and skin cancer? UVB. Where the ozone hole was first discovered? Halley Bay in Antarctica. Where ozone holes are most formed? Antarctica. At what time is the ozone hole most abundant in Antarctica? In summer. Ozone Day is celebrated in Kerala under the auspices of which organization? Kerala State Council for Science and Technology and Environment. Who discovered the formation of ozone from photochemical reaction? GMB Dobson. A disease that occurs in humans due to high levels of ozone is asthma. In which unit that records the amount of ozone is Dobson? The line which separates troposphere and stratosphere is tropopause. The second lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is stratosphere. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. What is the other name of ozone? Trioxygen. What is the molar mass of ozone? 48 gram per mole. Atmospheric layer known as the home of mankind. Stratosphere. How high is the ozone layer in the atmosphere? 25 to 30 kilometers. Which clouds cause the destruction of the ozone layer? Nacreous clouds. What is the commonly known name of the substances that cause the breakdown of the ozone layer? ODS, ozone depletion substance. An atmospheric protective shield for life on Earth is ozone layer. Protecting the Earth from UV rays from the sun is ozone layer. Where the ozone layer undergoes the least variation? In mountainous areas. At what time is the ozone concentration highest? In the summer. In the summer, ozone concentration will highest. At what time was the highest concentration of ozone discovered in Europe? 1940 to 1960. Ozone is mainly formed from which compound? Nitrogen dioxide. Ozone is mainly formed from which compound? Nitrogen dioxide. This is how plants absorb ozone. Through the leaves. Which spacecraft was launched to detect ozone? Nimbus 7. Which agricultural crop is degraded by excessive exposure to UV radiation? Paddy. How depletion of ozone affects plants? Growth is studied. What does CFC stands for? Chlorofluorocarbons. The compound that causes ozone depletion is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Who invented CFC? Thomas Midgley. Thomas Midgley invented CFC. Which layer is known as the umbrella of the earth? Ozone layer. What is used to disinfect mineral water? Ozone. Ozone is used to disinfect mineral water. Atmospheric layer known as the ozonosphere. Which atmospheric layer is known as ozonosphere? Stratosphere. Atmospheric layer known as ozone layer is stratosphere. Which atmospheric layer known as ozone layer is stratosphere. Which satellite will constantly monitor the ozone hole? TOMS, Total Ozone Mapping Spectrometer. Which was the first country to impose a carbon tax on CFC emissions of ozone depleting substances? Answer: Finland. Where the harmful action of ozone on plants was first reported? In Los Angeles in 1944. This is where the harmful effects of ozone in humans were first reported. Los Angeles in 1950. Major problems in organisms as a result of ozone depletion: skin cancer, metastasis, etc. Chemical formula of ozone is O3, oxygen 3. The year in which chlorofluorocarbons were produced for the first time, 1892. What was the different types of ultraviolet rays in sunlight? 3. UVA, UVB, UVC. Ozone's IUPAC name: trioxygen. Scientists point to the latest phenomenon that has caused the ozone layer to close. Polar vortex. Who was the scientist who took the initiative to establish a worldwide network of ozone observatories between 1928 and 1958? GMB Dobson, dash known as the Earth blanket, ozone layer. International Convention for the Phased Prohibition of Ozone Depletion Products, Montreal Protocol, the city where the Treaty of Montreal took place, Vienna. The German scientist who discovered ozone gas was Sean Bain, a professor at which university? Basel University in Switzerland. Scientists first recognized ozone gas is Martin van Marum. Which element in CFC is harmful to ozone? Chlorine. How many countries have created the Montreal Protocol on September 16, 1987 as part of the United Nations Environment Programme? 24. In 1839, who separated ozone and gave it the name ozone? Answer: Sean Bain. The year that recorded the largest depletion of the ozone layer in history, 2006. Full version of ODP's ozone depletion layer. The gas that causes the formation of photochemical smoke is ozone. The gas that causes the formation of photochemical smoke is ozone. CFCs are greenhouse gases that have caused a rise of 3 degrees Celsius in the global temperatures in the past century. Name the CFC that is used in refrigerator. Freon. Which planet shows anti-greenhouse effect? Titan. What does EESC stands for in context of ozone depleting compounds? Equivalent effective stratospheric chlorine. The modern version of the Dobson instrument is Brewer spectrophotometer. The ozone layer absorbs what range of wavelength of sun's radiation? 200 to 310 nm. In which season is the ozone found at its maximum level in the northern hemisphere? Spring season. What is the average concentration of ozone in the ozone layer of the atmosphere? Less than 10 ppm. The ozone layer protects us from dangerous UV radiation that comes from the sun. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near it.